So the JBL Clip 3 is one of my favorite Bluetooth speakers because it's cheap, lightweight, and pretty tough. I've used it on hikes, while camping, and even just while taking a shower. But for one reason or another, you might need to get inside of it. This is how you do it. First, get something to pry it open with, as the top portion of the speaker is kind of glued on. Once you do that, you can get a good look at the inside of the speaker, and even on the inside of the nice fabric covering. If you were just curious to see what's behind the grill, you can pretty much stop here. You can see the main driver on the right, the large passive radiator on the left, and the 3 playback buttons up top. One cool thing that I like to do here is press on the passive radiator, which lets you see the speaker driver physically move. I honestly don't know why I found this so cool, but I had to cut out a lot of me just pumping the speaker like a pair of old Reebok pumps. Anyway, getting back to the task at hand. You can see around the speaker are 5 small screws. So to get inside, go grab a screwdriver. I started with the screwdriver on my Leatherman, but it actually ended up being a little bit too big to fit, so I had to switch to a basic Victorinox Swiss Army knife, which still got the job done. I'll just fast forward through this part where I'm unscrewing things. And there we go. So now all the screws are out. From here, you can peel back the plastic covering to get your first look at the internals. But don't pull too fast, because there's still some stuff we gotta do. For one, there's this small rubber band there that keeps moisture from leaking in, but there's also a couple wires that are still attached and holding everything together. We gotta get rid of those. To do that, go back to the front and unscrew the main speaker driver. Make sure you keep the screws handy for when you're putting things back together later, by the way. You don't wanna lose these. Now just grab a pair of pliers and try to gently pull off the white connection. Whoops. Yeah, try not to do that. But anyway, here's the speaker driver. This is the little guy that does all the heavy lifting when you're listening to music. I kind of felt like squishing it again. Okay, now once you've removed the other wires, you've successfully removed the entire front part. Now just put the little rubber band off to the side and take a look inside. This is the passive base radiator here, which isn't attached to anything. It's just a thin membrane that reacts to the air pressure, hence why it's a passive radiator and not an active one. Alright, now look at this cool circuitry. I'm not a hardware engineer or anything, so maybe this is super basic, but it looks pretty damn awesome to me. But we're not done yet. You can go even deeper. If you need to replace the battery, for example, then you need to go further into the speaker. You can just see the battery looking at you from behind its hole. To get to it, remove the last 2 white connectors and locate the 4 screws around the edges. Once you unscrew those and put them off to the side, you can pull off the plastic to find the battery. Now, thankfully this battery is still working fine for me, so I don't really need to replace it, but you can find some replacements on Amazon for not a lot of money. So if you do need to replace it, I'll leave an affiliate link down in the description. Just so you know, if you do click that link to buy something, we get a small percentage of the money, so thanks for helping us out. I mean, it's a very small percentage, but hey, that's business. Once you're done placing the new battery in, you can just put everything back together the way you found it. Make sure to add the small rubber band back in the right place and all of the screws. Keep in mind that while the Clip 3 was IPX7 waterproof when you bought it, it likely isn't anymore now that we just poked around the insides. But hopefully once you're done putting everything back together, it still turns on and you can still pair to it and use it like the good old Clip 3 that it is.